Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I hope y'all are having an amazing day today. So a couple of days ago, Lisa at, I believe it's Happy Scrapper, posted a caddy for the tape dispenser. Let me grab mine here. And this was the one that I had made when she posted her tape dispenser tutorial. So I just loved this one that I made. Her instructions are perfectly clear, easy to follow, and this one's the one I had made. So then she posted a tutorial for her caddy, and oh my gosh, I'm like, okay, I've got to make one right away. So I made a caddy, but I made 4 new boxes to go with the caddy. The only thing that I did differently on the caddy are a couple of things, and I'll point them out as I go. But this is her caddy that I made, and it is amazing, guys. It is so perfect. Perfect for our craft space. So she made a drawer at the bottom, and she made the caddy to fit 4 of the tape dispensers, and that is mine. The only thing that I wish I would have had, and I don't have them, but I'm gonna look for them, are some feet that connect just at the bottom and don't take up that little corner. I have the perfect size, but it's the ones that go on a box without the drawer at the bottom. And so it has a little piece that just goes in right here on the corner, and it would prevent the drawer from opening. So I'm still gonna look for those because you know how I love my stuff on my feet. I wanna say I have some, but remember I just moved my craft room and I don't know where they're at, if I have them. This is what I did to mine, and here are my 4 tape dispenser boxes. And guys, I don't use a whole lot of foam tape, so I still used, let me take my boxes out. So this is my first box, and they're all decorated with the same paper. I think there's one in there that I had to use the cut apart page to complete it because I didn't have enough paper. But like on this one has the Velcro closure. This one I just tucked in. I did cut the this by about 1/2 inch so I could tuck it inside the box, because honestly I think I saw hers. She may have done that because hers were flush as well. They didn't have that little bulky side to the boxes. So I mean, I don't know if she cut hers or not, but I cut mine so that I could tuck that into the box and put it into the caddy. So of course I didn't decorate anything other than 1 layer of paper so that they would fit you know, in the caddy. So here is my caddy for the thicker for the foam tape. So I left that little band on there. I just put it a little bit higher so that it wouldn't interfere with the bottom of the box. So this is my first box. My second box, I did the same. I put a little band on there just in case I get another tape roll that has the backing on there. My she put her glue dots in there. My glue dots stay behind on the other piece of backing. It doesn't come off the top. It doesn't stay on this side. So mine is a little bit different, unless I need to cut something to make it come out from the top. Maybe that's what I need to do. But so I left that little band on there. Right now I just have an extra roll of foam tape in there, the Dollar Tree foam tape, and that is my second box. Now what I did for these last 2 boxes, this is the foam tape, guys, from Dollar Tree. So I use the foam tape a little bit more than I do the cut squares. So I wanted to put it in here, but I knew that if I put it in here, the foam tape was going to stick to the box itself. So here's my foam tape. And the reason that it doesn't stick, guys, is because I took a piece of this backing and I cut it and I glued it down to the edge of my box so that I knew this was not going to stick. It won't stick. Very little, but it won't stick to the box itself, tearing up the box. So that's the only thing I did differently on this one, so that I could have my foam tape out. So this paper, guys, it's not going to stick with your double-sided tape. I don't know if it'll stick with your wet glue, but I didn't want to take any chances. What I did was I took some E6000, put it on the back, and then pressed it down. And it stayed down pretty well. So I'm excited about that part. And then we just tuck that in, and there is my box. And then here is the next one. Oh, I think this one's the one I had to use the cut apart. This one. This is part of the cut apart page. It was a 6x6 paper pad. And then this is my last box. And again, I did the same with this backing paper. And there's my foam tape. So I use this foam tape quite a bit when I need to pop things up, because I can take a piece and cut it down to what I need, odd shapes and whatnot. So those are my boxes, and here is my caddy. Oh my gosh, Lisa did an amazing job with the tutorial. It was really easy to put together. Cut your matting layering pieces and you've got a box perfect for the tape dispensers. I did use the 110-pound cardstock, and then the pattern paper, the DSP, for the box itself. And there's the back. And I just put one matting piece on the bottom. There's the other side and the front, and then the top. So I just put this bow. I had this bow in my stash. I got it from someone, and I didn't make the bow myself, so it was perfect. I went ahead and glued it down with my hot glue. And then for my drawer, I still have a couple handles left. So I just used a brad to poke holes in there and use the handle, put it on there securely. And then this opens, let me see if I'm in frame, guys. And this opens this way, and there is your box. And I had just put my glue dots in there, because I do use the glue dots when I make things for a swap and I don't want something to move. And guys, I put down just a piece of acetate, just so that if I do put something down or in there like the foam tape, it won't stick. Again, it won't stick to my, because you know the foam tape is sticky all the way around. It won't stick to the bottom. So that's why I put a piece of acetate in there. And there. Love the boxes. I really do. Lisa, you did such a great job. Thank you so much. This is an addition. So, and your drawer just fits in there nice and snug. And there you go. That is my caddy, guys. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. It was a lot of fun to make, really. And there you go. And then my caddies, my dispensers fit in really snug. And there we go. There are the tape dispensers with the caddy. So there you go, guys. That is my take on Lisa's amazing caddy, tape dispenser caddy. All right. Okay, guys, just thought I'd share really quick what I had made. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.